let's say you're going to your favorite restaurant and you decide to order something that might have something that won't settle with your stomach, and you don't know that yet. You decide to order it. Next thing you know, you have an allergic reaction. You see an allergist, and, well, you discover that you have an allergy to whatever you ate. Might it be peanuts, gluten, wheat, etc. And I discovered that I was allergic to gluten when I was a young girl, really young. And ever since then, cooking gluten-free stuff has been a challenge since it's mainly really, really expensive to get the supplies needed. Because of that, not very many of us can get these sorts of foods. For those of us that are allergic to peanuts, we have to look for peanut-free stuff. For those of us that are allergic to wheat, we have to look for wheat-free, etc., etc. So, because of that, nowadays it's a bit more challenge to get gluten-free stuff. But restaurants have been implementing gluten-free options for those who are gluten-sensitive, which is the overall topic of this. Since I myself am gluten-sensitive and I have celiacs. Celiacs is another term used to describe gluten allergens. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a demonstration of how to make some gluten-free pasta. So, first step, overall, if you want to understand this, you gotta know what your ingredients are. If you're gonna make something like an Italian restaurant. So, first ingredient I'm using for this is gluten-free pasta. You can add any sauce you want, but I choose Alfredo because Alfredo is technically one of my favorite taste of sauce. Although we all have different tastes, we can decide what we're going to do. You need a pot and some sort of stirring spoon and a cup of water. Now there's one thing that's missing from this list of stuff, and that is a strainer. I currently do not have one here where I'm currently at. If I were to film this somewhere else, I'd be able to have that strainer. So, without further ado, now demonstrate the main steps. So first of all, on this box, it says that, well, it should be 2 cups of water boiled. However, 2 cups does not fill this kind of pot that easily. So I'm going to fill it up with water. Make it at least full of some water. So the water's in there. It says to boil and to cook it. Just wait for it to boil and put some olive oil in there on this box. Overall for me, what I do is I just let it boil. Sometimes I forget to just flat out let it boil. So I'm going to turn this on and the water will start to heat up. I put it on high so water can heat up as quickly as possible. Although this will be not very easy for me to do in under a few minutes since there is required time to complete this. So, just wait until the water boils. Sometimes I don't let it fully boil, I just let it in when I see bubbles. So, after a certain amount of time, you need to add the pasta, but that's when the water starts to get hot. When the water starts steaming or boiling, you'll be able to put the pasta in there, which in celiac people's case is going to be the gluten-free one. Overall, if you're not allergic to celiacs, you can do the same thing, but it might depend on who you are, if you're allergic to wheat and stuff. So I'm just going to evacuate this portion in a little bit for the sake of the video. And then, when the boiling starts, you stir the pasta and set a timer for at least few minutes or so. On the box here, it says to do it for 14 to 16 minutes. But I'd rather do it for at least under that time. So aim for either 8, 9, or 10 minutes for a required texture of the pasta. After you're done with that, after the pasta's done cooking, turn off the oven or stove or whatever you're using to cook this. And then you dump out the water using a strainer or carefully using the sink. You don't want to overcook it though. If you follow the directions for a long time, the pasta might either get too hard to chew on or burnt. Nobody wants burnt food. Burnt food is never a good thing in terms of what you're doing. Lastly, you put it into a serving dish and you use some form of sauce after you're done stirring it with either any kind of spoon like this one. And once it's done, pour it onto this pasta and the final product should look something like this. So, understanding celiac nowadays is a very big issue because not very many people make certain foods. There are companies that are working to make foods that are gluten-free for those who have this sort of issue. So, I hope you enjoy this little demonstration and try and put this into your own use if you know someone who might be allergic to something as serious as gluten, because not all people can have that. And if you want to try it for yourself, you can find some of these ingredients in a local store or in a local area. Although it might be hard to find these, since these kinds of things are honestly expensive. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a few things about celiacs and how to make foods to sustain allergies.